Hello again, everyone, and thank you for joining. So today, we're going to talk about how to turn your RRSP into a tax-free retirement paycheck. Now, what if I told you that your RRSP, the account most Canadians use, can actually fund your entire retirement tax-free, but only if you convert it in the right way at the right time, using strategies almost nobody talks about. Now, most Canadians unknowingly set themselves up for massive taxes, OAS clawbacks, and even RRIF tax bombs. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid all of that and how to turn your RRSP into a predictable, tax-free retirement income stream. So let's jump in. Hey everyone, I'm Chad Darbyshire, Wealth Management Advisor for over 17 years here in Vancouver, BC. And if you're age 50 to 70 and thinking about retirement income, this video might save you tens of thousands in lifetime taxes. Hit like, subscribe, take my quiz, or book in a time to chat or to meet. So why your RRSP is not a tax-free paycheck? Let's clear up the biggest misconception. RRSPs are not tax-free. RRIFs are not tax-free. Withdrawals are 100% taxable as income. But here's what most Canadians don't realize. You can turn RRSP money into future tax-free income if you move that RRSP money strategically into accounts that are tax-free. The key is this: take your RRSP, withdraw at low tax rates, move that into a tax-free vehicle, create lifelong tax-free income. So what tool makes this possible? Well, you guessed it, the TFSA, plus one other strategy most people overlook. So let's walk through the roadmap. Here's a 3-step blueprint to convert RRSP money into tax-free paychecks. Step 1. Withdraw from your RRSP when your tax rate is low. This is the foundation. There are windows in life, especially between age 60 and 70, when your tax rate is typically artificially low. For example, you haven't taken your CPP or OAS yet, you're semi-retired, your pension hasn't started, your spouse's income is low. In these years, RRSP withdrawals might be taxed at 20% or even zero depending on deductions. And most Canadians mistakenly wait until age 71. And then they wake up to forced RRIF withdrawals at tax rates of 30 to 40% or even more. Smart retirees empty their RRSP slowly in the low tax years. So that's step 1. Step 2. Move those withdrawals into a TFSA. This is where the magic happens. You take the money out of your RRSP at a low tax rate and you put it into a TFSA where growth is tax-free, withdrawals are tax-free, income does not affect your OAS eligibility, you can reinvest forever. This transforms previously taxable RRSP money into 100% tax-free future income. So step 3. Build a tax-free income engine inside of your TFSA. What you invest inside the TFSA matters. You want dividend-paying ETFs or stocks or balanced portfolios or low volatility income-focused investments. This creates a predictable, tax-free monthly paycheck that you can withdraw from without touching your principal. So imagine $200,000 in your TFSA generating 4 to 5% tax-free income. That's $8,000 to $10,000 a year, completely tax-free for life. So let's look at a case study here. Let's talk about Phil and Barb. They're both 62. They have $600,000 in RRSPs and $80,000 in TFSAs combined. No pensions except CPP and OAS starting at 65. They're semi-retired with part-time income of $30,000 a year. And most Canadians at this age do nothing. They wait until 71 and then trigger enormous taxes later. But here's the smarter version. Age 62 to 70, which is typically a low tax window, now they withdraw $30,000 a year from their RRSP. And after basic credits, they contribute $14,000 to $18,000 a year into their TFSAs using new and carry forward room. And by age 70, their RRSP shrinks from $600,000 to about $350,000. Their TFSA grows from $80,000 to around $300,000. Future RRIF minimums drop dramatically. So they've shifted almost $250,000 from taxable to tax-free. The result at age 71 and beyond. RRIF withdrawals start small, keeps them below the OAS clawback. The TFSA pays them $12,000 to $15,000 a year tax-free, and their lifetime taxes drop by approximately $80,000. This is how you manufacture tax-free retirement income in Canada. So here's a bonus strategy. Pension income splitting. Once your RSP becomes a RIF at 65 or later, you can split up to 50% of your RIF income with your spouse. This can cut your tax bill, keep you under the OAS clawback levels, smooth out taxable income. When combined with RSP to TFSA conversions, the savings multiply. Turning your RSP into a tax-free retirement income stream is absolutely possible, but only if you start planning early and use the low tax window between age 60 and 70. So we can help. Hit subscribe. See my weekly videos. There's also a link below for my retirement readiness quiz, which only takes 60 seconds, and you can book an appointment with me through my Calendly link. Don't guess your way through your retirement planning. Get the right advice and guidance. So thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video.